Do you love watching the birds that show up at your house? Do you love keeping track of all the different birds that you see?
We sure do.
So do you know how to get them to come to your house?
We feed them, of course.
Right. Bird feeders are available in a number of sizes and shapes and price ranges, all pretty much anywhere you can get them. However, today we're going to show you a way that you can feed the birds and it will cost almost nothing.
And you have to buy the bird seed, but the rest you can find in nature and in your home.
Exactly. That sounds good. Are you ready? Then let's get witchcrafty. Today, we are going to make pinecone bird feeders. All you need is a pine cone, or many if you like, some twine, some peanut butter, and some bird seed.
That's it?
That's it.
That sounds easy. I can't wait to make them. But wait, what if you're allergic to peanut butter?
That is a great question, Willow. If you're allergic to peanut butter, you could use honey, bacon grease, or whatever nut butter alternative you eat.
Just don't use actual butter, right, Mom?
That's right, Willow. I'm not sure the birds would appreciate that. Are you ready to get started?
Let's get witchcrafty! Okay, so we have the twine, the bird seed, and the peanut butter, but we don't have the pine cones.
Oops, we forgot the pine cones. Well, I guess we're going to have to take a trip to the park.
Yeah!
Hi, everyone. Today we are here at Mitten Egg Park in West Springfield, and it is 57 degrees on November 26th. It is so beautiful and so weird being this warm. So what are we looking for today, Willow?
Pine cones.
So we're looking for some pine cones. So I see some things around here, so I think we're going to find some good stuff. And then we're going to show you what we're going to do with them. So stick around.
Ooh, these are my perfect. What are those things?
Pine cones.
Ornaments. Ornaments made out of pine cones.
Perfect.
They smell nice too.
And we are back from the park and we have our pine cones. And now we can get started.
What do we do first? Make a mess with peanut butter?
No, not yet. First thing we want to do is attach the twine to the pine cone. It's much easier to do that before you add the peanut butter.
That makes more sense.
Yeah. All right, so you want to cut a good amount of twine. You have nice length to deal with. And you want to put the twine right up underneath the scales, right towards the top, and tie it in a knot. Double knot is good too, okay? And then you want to tie the other end, make sure it's nice and, make sure that doesn't happen. Make sure that it is nice and tight so that it won't fall.
What if the birds break the twine?
Well, then the cone will fall down, but the birds will still be able to eat from it.
Unless the squirrels get to it first.
Right. Well, that could happen, and that would be one happy squirrel.
Now do we make a mess with the peanut butter?
Well, yes, we do. Okay, so you're going to want to get a butter knife or a spatula, and you're going to slather the peanut butter on your pine cone. Take a few moments and slather that pine cone full of peanut butter.
It makes a funny sound too.
Yes, it does.
That was fun.
Yeah. When you're finished covering the cone and, making a mess, you're going to cover the pine cone with birdseed. So that's why we put the birdseed on a plate. All right, so we're going to put our pine cone and roll it around on the plate. And cover it up. And there's going to be some happy birds.
And maybe some happy squirrels.
All right, all done. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Now do we get to hang it outside?
Yes, we can. Let's go.
Yay!
Good.
This branch looks like a good spot to hang it. Oops. Okay.
Look at that. And we're done.
Now we just wait and watch for the birds to come and eat.
Yes. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you had a lot of fun.
If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.
Also, please like and share this video. Tell us in the comments what birds enjoyed your pinecone feeder. If you are able to take pictures of the birds eating, ask your parents to share the pictures with us on our Facebook page. The link will be down below.
Until next time, thanks for watching
Magic with Music Cat.
But we don't have any pine cones.
Oh, yeah, we kind of need those. Well, I guess we're going to have to take a trip to...
Yeah! Oh, whoops.
Let's try that part again. You got a little too enthusiastic. All right.